We're going to be constructing a pair of parallel lines, which is a lot like when we constructed a pair of congruent angles, if you remember that from before. So what we're going to do first, we're going to grab our ruler and we're going to connect it to that point and then connect it somewhere to this line down here. I wouldn't connect it straight up and down. I don't know. I like having it at an angle. It makes it look pretty in my mind. We're going to stick this down, our pencil on that line, and we're going to then give ourselves a nice long line. There we go. We're going to turn that off. There we go. Beautiful. Now we're going to grab our compass, and down here at that intersection of those two lines, I'm going to make it decently small, not huge. I'm going to draw an arc that goes across those two lines. And I'm going to keep it locked and move it up to the point and draw a matching arc that, if I had my imagination going, would go across the parallel line and across the line up there. There we go. Okay? All right. Now, if you remember with our congruent lines, I'm going to turn that off maybe, see if I can, there we go. I'm going to use my ruler as a pointer. I'm using it as a pointer. But remember, when we had congruent lines, we wanted to know our congruent angles. We measured across these 2 points to figure out how far across this point we needed. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to grab our compass. We're going to set it here and lock it in. Lock that in. And then we're going to move it up here and draw where that distance is. And now we're going to grab our ruler and draw a line across there. And that's going to be our parallel line. Beautiful.